Hello everyone. In this short video, I will show you how to convert seismic data from the ASCII format, released by the Dolmetta seismograph, to the SEG2 format, which is more easily used in analysis software like Geopsy. The first step is to prepare the DOL file. Open the DOL file with a text editor and delete the first 5 or 6 lines. Save the modified file in link to .txt format. Now, open Geopsy. Go to File, Preferences. Set, use this format, to ASCII multicolumns, no header. Click OK. Import the link to .txt file by going to File, Open. Select the file and click Open. It might be necessary to unlock the table for editing. Click on Edit and deselect Lock Table Edition. Modify the cells. In the Name column, enter an identifier for each channel. In the Component column, select Vertical for all geophones. In the Start Time column, enter the acquisition date. Verify that the End Time column is correct. Enter the sampling frequency, in our case, 500, in the Sampling Frequency column. Verify that Sampling Period and in Samples are correct. Enter the position of the geophones in the last useful column. Now export to SEG2. Go to File, Conversion. Make sure the format is SEG2. Enter a new name for the file and click Save. The file will be saved with the DAT extension. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Happy working to everyone. Let me know if you need any further adjustments.